In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reach Boardwalk in Monopoly Go. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, Boardwalk is board 71 in Monopoly Go between the Dark Val and M General. So in this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to reach it. Keep in mind that these same instructions will apply for every single other board. So all that you have to do to progress through all of the boards of the game is to use your dice. So dice will be given to you daily, through events, through gifts, and you can use it to roll your piece around the board. Every single time that you do this, you have a chance of landing on spaces that give you cash. So in this one, I got the shut down minigame. So I'll be able to shut down this person's facilities, and I'm going to earn some cash by doing this. By using this cash that I have accumulated, I'll be able to progress and do all of the upgrades in a specific board. So if I go over to the board again, I'll have the build option. And in here, I can spend the cash that I acquired to make these buildings. Of course, you need to have a lot of cash to upgrade all of them. But to keep it simple, all that you have to do to progress through all of the boards and eventually reach board 71, that is Boardwalk, is to play the game and accumulate cash. So just keep rolling the dice. Of course, I'm not going to be able to reach Boardwalk on this video alone because it takes a while. You will need to spend some days or even weeks depending on which board you are on to reach Boardwalk. But by playing daily, using all the dice that you are given through the daily reset, through events, through gifts, you will be able to get this done and eventually make all of the buildings in a specific board. You can check your progress at any time, and by doing this and completing the objectives, participating in mini games and so on, you will earn enough cash to upgrade your board. I hope I was able to help you on how to reach Boardwalk in Monopoly Go. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.